If you look at this card, you can see a young person holding a sword. The person is standing ready, as if they can react at any time. The sword is held upright, which shows thoughts, communication, and a sharp mind. You can see the atmosphere looks cloudy, and the trees are bending, as if it is very windy. You can also see the ground looks uneven, which shows the situation may not be fully stable. This shows change, movement, and a restless situation. The person is looking to the side, which shows they are observing what is happening around them. You can also see birds flying in the sky, which shows thoughts, ideas, or messages moving. In the distance, you can see mountains, which shows challenges or things ahead. Overall, this card shows curiosity, learning, and being mentally active. In tarot, a page means a beginner, someone who is learning or exploring something new. So, the energy of this card is curiosity, communication, and quick thinking. It can also show overthinking, restlessness, or reacting without thinking fully. This card shows a phase where you need to observe, learn, and understand before acting. This is the Page of Swords card. Yes or no? If this card comes upright, the answer is yes. It shows communication, clarity, and getting information. If the card comes reversed, the answer is no, as there may be confusion, gossip, or wrong information. Career business studies. If this card comes upright, it shows learning, new ideas, and communication. If someone is in a job, they may be learning new things or dealing with a fast changing situation. They should think before speaking or acting. If someone is not working, it shows chances may come through communication or learning something new. If planning to shift a job, they should first gather proper information before making a decision. If choosing a course or learning something, it is a good time to start, but focus and clarity are needed. For business, it shows ideas and the planning stage, but decisions should not be rushed. If the card comes reversed, it shows confusion, lack of clarity, or wrong decisions due to poor information. Love relationship. If this card comes upright, it shows communication in the relationship. If someone is in a relationship or marriage, there may be discussions, questions, or trying to understand each other. Sometimes it can show overthinking or checking too much. If there is a breakup, it shows thinking a lot about the situation or trying to understand what went wrong. If it is a new love situation, it shows curiosity and communication, but things may still be in an early stage. If the card comes reversed, it shows misunderstandings, gossip, or lack of clear communication. Health. If this card comes upright, if a person is unhealthy, it shows the need to understand the issue properly and take correct advice. If someone is healthy, it is a sign to stay aware and not ignore small signs. If something new is detected, it shows the need for proper checking and not to assume anything. If the card comes reversed, it shows confusion, stress, or misunderstanding about the condition. General guidance. If this card comes upright, observe more and react less. Think properly before speaking or acting. Keep learning and stay aware. If the card comes reversed, avoid overthinking, gossip, and confusion. Take time to understand things clearly. So, this card tells you to stay aware, keep learning, and think before you act or speak.